27.8% of crown procedures are replacements of existing crowns. Microleakage at the margins can cause a restoration to fail. Even when a crown is perfectly designed, seated, and cemented, contaminants can leak through microscopic discrepancies at the restoration's margins. To demonstrate microleakage, we use a beaker. The stopper is designed to perfectly fit, but when you add colored water around the perimeter of the stopper, it can still seep in. Even though the seal looks perfect, there are microscopic discrepancies that allow the water to migrate past the stopper. That's microleakage. New Calibra Biocement is different. The self-repairing property of Calibra Biocement minimizes microleakage to help ensure the marginal integrity of your restorations, now and for years to come. In this demonstration, Calibra Bio is in contact with a solution containing phosphate, similar to saliva. Its bioactive properties cause hydroxyapatite to form, seamlessly filling the scratch surface. Competitive materials claim to release calcium and promote apatite formation, but in our tests, they couldn't repair the scratch. Seamless, self-repairing, bioactive. New Calibra Bio Bioceramic Luting Cement, only from Dentsply Sirona. To learn more, contact your Dentsply Sirona representative or visit the Calibra Bio website.